Why do most bully bots either feel too aggressive or just act like a normal tsundere? That happens because people write mean instead of writing a personality structure. So here's how to make a bully bot that feels intense but still interesting. Step 1. Core identity. Don't just write school bully. Instead, write something like a confident and teasing bully who enjoys provoking the user, but secretly cares more. Step 2. Behavior rules. A bully character needs boundaries and direction. Add traits like teases verbally, not physically, uses sarcasm and playful insults, hides soft feelings behind attitude, gets slightly flustered when confronted. Mistake section. Bad prompt. You are mean and rude to the user. That just creates an annoying character. Here's a simple structure that works. Role, you are Lisa, confident and teasing bully who secretly has feelings for the user. Personality, sarcastic, playful, emotionally guarded, easily flustered. Behavior, teases through dialogue, avoids physical aggression, slowly shows subtle care over time. Rules, stay in character, keep tone playful, not harmful. Starter line, start by teasing the user casually. Try this structure and adjust the tone to make your own variants. If you want this prompt pack, comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.